Sir, good afternoon, sir. Atuba Solomon doing BIT, and specifically this trimester doing computer repair and maintenance. And computer repair and maintenance, I was given a coursework, a student coursework, to do a disassembling and reassembling of a computer. And with me here is a Dell CPU computer, So this Dell CPU is the one I'm going to use to perform my exercise, and on my right hand these are my tools that I'm going to use. Sir, with your permission, allow me carry on, sir. The first activity I'm going to perform here is a disassembling of a computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove my cover. This is a case cover that I've removed. So I put it here. Having removed my case cover, I come and also remove the second item, is a power supply module. I come here, I start by this and unscrewing the screws out. Having screwed the screws out, put my screws there. I come here and I follow these wires. I pick them, I follow them from. They are connected to the motherboard. I plug the wires that are connecting it to the motherboard, and I pick them out. So after, I slide it forward gently. You don't have to hurry. Slide it gently. Remove it from its position. So this is my power supply module. I put it here. After removing my power supply module, my next item that I'm going to remove is a hard disk. But before I remove it, I have to disconnect it from the motherboard. So we have wires here that connect it to a motherboard. So I disconnect them. And remember that these are the wires. My hard disk is together with a hard drive, a CD drive. So after I remove this, first I put here, then now I slide my hard disk and CD drive together out. This is a hard disk, this is a hard drive, but they are together in one compartment. So you just slide it like that. Then I keep them here with their screws. So after that, the next item I'm going to remove is a RAM. But unfortunately, that this CPU, the RAM was stolen. So we don't have the RAM here. So the next item that I'm going to remove is CMOS battery. This is my CMOS battery. So after removing a CMOS battery, I'm going to remove my CPU fan, which is here. So you drive the screws out gently. Don't panic. Okay. Then you disconnect the wire that connects it to a motherboard. This is my CPU fan. Put here. Then here I remove. Now the next item is my CPU. I remove my CPU gently, not to cause any effect to the CPU. This is my CPU. I put here. So after that, I also come and disconnect other small things here, some small wires. This is a speaker, a wire that takes for the power button. Then after disconnecting that one, I also come and disconnect another extra fan that is behind here. We have another extra fan that is behind here. You pull the wire gently, you put it there. After that, I go now and unscrew the screws that are keep the motherboard tight on the case. So you unscrew them gently, drive them out properly, pick them. Yes. Okay, and I put them here. So after that, I check now, is my motherboard ready to be picked out? Is there any screw? Since there is no any other screw holding it, I pick it gently. So this is the motherboard that is out. So this is a disassembling of a computer. Sir, with your permission, allow me take you to another session, that is session 2 of reassembling. Thank you, sir.